So we've packed Claudia up and we're all ready to head off to the Brecon Beacons, ready to climb Penny Fan tomorrow.
Yeah, the weather's on our side as well this weekend, so it's exciting, and we're just waiting for our friend Laurel to finish work. Before we head down to Brecon, Laurel needs to fill up a car, so as soon as she's done that, we're going to stop off at the services for Mackey's, and I'm absolutely starving. I don't know about anyone else.
I am.
Yeah, Knife's starving, and it will be no surprise if Laurel's not starving either. Yeah, so Mackey's, here we come first.
So we pulled into Brecon campsite and set up camp for the weekend. So we're now all set up at base for the weekend. This is our setup. Morning.
Morning. We've got our coffee. So it's 8:30 in the morning now, and we're all ready, and Laurel's going to drive us to the car park. Just at the car park, ready to do the corn-do path straight up to Penny Fan. Yeah, lovely weather as well.
Yeah, not a cloud in the sky.
So we're about 40 minutes into our hike now, and it feels like we've come up a long way, to be fair, but I can imagine we've still got a long way to go.
An hour and a half in, we stumbled upon this viewpoint that had the most amazing backdrop, so we decided to have a photo shoot.
So, after a beautiful hike up and a short queue at the top,
Made it to the summit of Penny Fan.
yay!
We're just on our walk back down now, and we've just been saying we can't get over how easy this corn-do path is.
Yeah, it probably sounds a bit silly to say, but I've got I think because we're comparing it to Ben Nevis and Scafell and Snowdon and Cadder, Idris, and plus the weather's on our side as well, which has made it a hell of a lot easier.
Yeah.
It's been really enjoyable.
Yeah. Gentle morning stroll. So we've had a cracking morning at Penny Fan. Bit of a chilled out afternoon, went for a walk to the reservoir, and we've just had a carvery.
Yeah, it's been a fab day. I've really enjoyed today, so thanks guys.
Thank you.
Yamas.
Cheers.
Skål.
And just like that, it was time to pack our things away after a fabulous weekend. We were only a short 20-minute drive away from the gorgeous Waterfall country, and little did we know that we was in for yet another gem of an adventure. So we've just arrived at the car park for Waterfall country, and I'm really excited about seeing them. I think it's going to look really cool, and we are doing a trail called
LED trail.
LED trail.
If that's how you say it. So we're not even 100 metres in yet, and this walk's stunning already. Nice little gorge and everything's green, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Just come across the first waterfall. So we've made it to our swim stop. We're just getting the appropriate gear on. You ready to go in?
Scared?
Yeah, it's going to be cold. It is going to be cold. Shit, mate! It is the only way to do it though, Hannah. I do think, to be fair, the only way is just to jump in.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, dunk! You did it!
So we're in and it's cold but absolutely amazing, well worth it.
So glad we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just walking back to the car park now after doing some wild swimming, which was super fun. I think we all really enjoyed it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's good. Glad the sun's out though to dry us off quickly. So that's our Brecon Beacons weekend come to an end. We managed to pack 2 great adventure-filled days in, and it's been awesome, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a really good weekend. We just had perfect weather for the Penny Fan climb. Loved that climb, it was just really easy and really enjoyable. And then today with the cold saltwater swimming. I really didn't think I was going to do it because I was like really nervous and scared, but after I did it and got over the shock of the calmness, I was so glad that I did it.
Yeah, that was awesome. Nice little hike, and like Hannah says, glad that we went and had a swim.
Yeah.
Certainly wakes you up.
Yeah, it's been a lovely weekend away.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching, guys. Find us on Instagram at Claudia the Caddy to keep up with our adventures, and if you liked our video then please hit subscribe.